Decision-making has always shaped human history. From kings and commanders to CEOs and creators, every great outcome begins with a single choice. But the way we make decisions has evolved dramatically over time, from human intuition to data-driven intelligence, and now to artificial intelligence. In the past, decisions were driven by experience, instinct, and limited information. Leaders relied on personal judgment, wisdom passed through generations, and slow communication. Strategic choices took time, and mistakes were costly, but learning was deeply human. Today, decisions are powered by data. Real-time information, algorithms, and analytics guide businesses, governments, and individuals. We no longer guess. We measure, predict, and optimize. Yet even now, human judgment remains essential. The future of decision-making lies in intelligent systems. AI will not just assist, it will anticipate, adapt, and learn. From personalized medicine to autonomous vehicles and self-optimizing businesses, AI will redefine strategic thinking. But with this power comes responsibility. As machines gain influence over decisions, questions of trust, transparency, and fairness emerge. Who controls the intelligence? Who is accountable for the outcomes? The evolution of decision-making is not about replacing humans. It is about empowering human intelligence with artificial intelligence. The future belongs to those who decide wisely, with both mind and machine.